Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to see your recently reviewed items on eBay. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and revisit an item that you've seen on eBay, but you forgot where the item was or you forgot to save it. How do you actually go ahead and see your recently reviewed items on eBay? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now the way to actually do this is first you're going to hop onto your eBay app. Next, you're going to click on My eBay on the bottom left-hand corner. Afterwards, you're going to see under Shopping where it says Recently Reviewed, and you see the tooltip that says Listings You Recently Viewed. So go ahead and click on that. So once this is finished loading, you can see all the recently reviewed items that you've seen on eBay and that you've clicked on. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see your recently reviewed items on eBay. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.